The Chinese government, via UNICEF, has donated ICT equipment to Timor-Leste's Ministry of Education to support schools in Dili. This aims to improve teachers' skills and use the technology in classrooms. Education Minister Dulce Soares highlighted the importance of the equipment and training for daily learning.
O Ministério da Educação,
The Ministry of Education, together with the Chinese Embassy and UNICEF, launched training on using technology as a learning method. This support focuses on schools affected by the floods in 2021. At that time, UNICEF provided assistance and has continued to monitor these schools due to the severe impact on both the schools and the children's learning. We now have a cooperation with Google Swift and other educational resources uploaded online. With the new computers, students can easily access all these digital learning materials. The donation includes desks, chairs, laptops, and projectors for 34 schools. UNICEF stressed the need for online learning options, especially after disruptions from floods and COVID-19.
Proud as UNICEF to be involved in this project. We are extremely grateful to the People's Republic of China and the ambassador here who has been supporting us to work with the ministry. We work in many areas of the ministry, but one of the areas that we're most concerned about is the things that stop children from learning, and certainly not being involved in IT and emergencies are two of the things that stop children from learning.
It's a really great pleasure to attend this donation ceremony, and I would like to express my gratitude to the Ministry of Education of Timor-Leste and the UNICEF with their support. Actually, we apply this project under the 2021 great flood, which crippled the Timor-Leste and affected a lot of students.
Many teachers still lack training on digital tools, which this support seeks to address. Teachers praised the donation, noting it will help schools affected by recent floods improve learning conditions. Osoria Marques, TATOLI.